Are you tired of the limitations of traditional e-commerce? Ready to unleash your creativity and turn your passion into profit? Discover the untapped potential of print on demand and learn how to sell unique products online with ease. Join us as we unveil the secrets to print-on-demand success and help you carve your path in the digital marketplace. In the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce, print-on-demand, POD, has emerged as a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs seeking to sell unique products online. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods where inventory is stocked in advance, print-on-demand allows sellers to create and customize products only when an order is placed. This model not only eliminates the need for large upfront investments, but also enables businesses to offer a wide range of products without the burden of inventory management. Print-on-demand opens up a world of possibilities for creative individuals looking to turn their designs into profitable ventures. Whether you're an artist, designer, or aspiring entrepreneur, the POD model empowers you to bring your ideas to life and reach customers around the globe. One of the key advantages of print-on-demand is its flexibility, with a diverse array of products available for customization, ranging from apparel and accessories to home decor and stationery. Sellers can tap into niche markets and cater to specific interests and demographics. This versatility allows entrepreneurs to experiment with different product ideas and pivot their offerings based on market demand. Moreover, print-on-demand aligns with the growing consumer preference for personalized and unique products. In a world saturated with mass-produced goods, customers are increasingly seeking out items that reflect their individuality and express their personality. By leveraging print-on-demand technology, sellers can capitalize on this trend by offering customizable products that resonate with their target audience. Throughout this video series, we'll explore the strategies and techniques for achieving success in the print-on-demand industry. From niche selection and product design to marketing tactics and platform optimization, we'll provide actionable insights to help you build a thriving print-on-demand business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, join us on this journey to unlock the potential of print-on-demand and create a successful online venture. Print-on-demand. Print-on-demand (POD) has revolutionized the way entrepreneurs approach e-commerce by offering a flexible and accessible means of bringing products to market. At its core, print-on-demand is a business model that enables sellers to create and customize products on an as-needed basis, eliminating the need for costly inventory storage and management. Instead of producing goods in bulk up front, print-on-demand platforms fulfill orders individually, printing designs onto blank products only when they are purchased. This on-demand production model offers several advantages for entrepreneurs. Firstly, it significantly reduces the financial risk associated with traditional manufacturing, as sellers no longer need to invest in large quantities of inventory up front. This makes print-on-demand an attractive option for individuals looking to start a business with minimal capital investment. Additionally, print-on-demand allows for greater product diversity and customization, as sellers can easily test and iterate on different designs without the constraint of minimum order quantities. Furthermore, print-on-demand offers unparalleled convenience for both sellers and customers. Sellers can manage their business from anywhere in the world, as fulfillment and shipping are typically handled by the print-on-demand platform. This eliminates the need for warehousing, packing, and shipping logistics, freeing up time and resources to focus on growing the business. For customers, print-on-demand offers a seamless shopping experience, with a wide range of unique and personalized products available at their fingertips. Whether they're looking for custom apparel, home decor, or accessories, customers can find products that reflect their individual style and preferences. In summary, print-on-demand represents a democratization of e-commerce, empowering entrepreneurs of all backgrounds to bring their creative visions to life and connect with customers on a global scale. By understanding the fundamentals of print-on-demand, entrepreneurs can leverage this innovative business model to unlock new opportunities and thrive in the digital marketplace. Finding your niche. In the vast landscape of e-commerce, finding the right niche is essential for print-on-demand success. A niche market is a segment of the market that caters to a specific audience with distinct needs and preferences. By targeting a niche, entrepreneurs can differentiate themselves from competitors and establish a loyal customer base. When it comes to print-on-demand, niche selection is particularly crucial due to the vast array of customizable products available. Rather than trying to appeal to a broad audience, successful print-on-demand businesses hone in on specific interests, hobbies, or demographics. One strategy for finding a profitable niche is to identify your passions and interests. Consider what topics or hobbies you're passionate about and explore whether there's a market demand for products in that niche. Whether it's a niche related to fitness, pets, hobbies, or pop culture, aligning your print-on-demand business with your interests can make the entrepreneurial journey more fulfilling and sustainable. Additionally, conducting market research is essential for validating potential niches and understanding customer needs. Use tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and keyword research to gauge the popularity and demand for different niche markets. Look for underserved or emerging niches where competition is low but demand is high. Furthermore, consider the profitability and scalability of your chosen niche. Evaluate factors such as average order value, target audience size, and potential for repeat business. While niche markets with passionate and engaged audiences may have lower competition, it's essential to ensure there's sufficient demand to sustain your business long-term. By strategically selecting a niche that aligns with your interests, market demand, and profitability potential, you can position your print-on-demand business for success and carve out a profitable space in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Designing unique products. Design is a cornerstone of success in the print-on-demand industry. In a market flooded with options, creating unique and eye-catching designs is essential for standing out and attracting customers. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a novice artist, mastering the art of design is key to unlocking the full potential of your print-on-demand business. When designing products for print-on-demand, it's crucial to understand the unique constraints and opportunities of the medium. Different products have different printing surfaces, sizes, and color capabilities, so it's essential to tailor your designs accordingly. For example, designs for apparel may need to consider factors like fabric texture and garment sizing, while designs for accessories may need to account for material limitations and printing techniques. Moreover, focusing on originality and creativity can set your products apart from the competition. Instead of relying on generic or overused designs, strive to create designs that are fresh, innovative, and reflect your unique style or brand identity. Experiment with different design elements, color schemes, and typography to create visually appealing and marketable products. Utilizing design tools and resources can also streamline the design process and help bring your creative vision to life. Whether you prefer professional graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator or user-friendly platforms like Canva, leveraging these tools can empower you to create professional quality designs with ease. Don't underestimate the power of market research and customer feedback when designing products. Pay attention to trends in your niche market. Monitor competitor products and solicit feedback from your target audience to refine and improve your designs continuously. By prioritizing creativity, originality, and market relevance in your design process, you can create unique and compelling products that resonate with customers and drive sales in the competitive print-on-demand landscape. Choosing the right platform. Selecting the right platform is paramount to the success of your print-on-demand business. With numerous platforms available, each offering unique features, pricing structures, and audience reach, it's essential to carefully evaluate your options and choose the platform that best aligns with your business goals and target audience. One of the most critical factors to consider when choosing a print-on-demand platform is its product offerings. Different platforms specialize in various types of products, from apparel and accessories to home decor and stationery. Consider the types of products you intend to sell and ensure that the platform offers a diverse range of options to meet your needs. Another crucial consideration is the platform's ease of use and customization capabilities. Look for platforms that provide intuitive design tools, flexible customization options, and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. The ability to personalize products and create a unique brand identity is essential for attracting customers and differentiating your business in the market. Additionally, evaluate the platform's pricing structure and fees to ensure it aligns with your budget and revenue goals. While some platforms may offer lower base prices for products, they may offset this with higher shipping costs or platform fees. Compare pricing plans and calculate your potential profit margins to determine which platform offers the best value for your business. Furthermore, consider the platform's audience reach and marketing support. Some platforms have built-in marketplaces or a large existing customer base, which can help drive traffic and sales to your products. Others may offer marketing tools and resources to help you promote your products and reach your target audience effectively. By carefully weighing these factors and choosing a platform that meets your needs in terms of product selection, customization capabilities, pricing, and marketing support, you can set your print-on-demand business up for success and maximize your potential for growth in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Marketing your products. Effective marketing is essential for driving visibility, engagement, and sales for your print-on-demand products. In a crowded digital marketplace, strategic promotion can help you reach your target audience, build brand awareness, and differentiate your products from competitors. Here are some key strategies for successfully marketing your print-on-demand products online. Identify your target audience. Understanding your target audience's demographics, interests, and shopping behaviors is crucial for crafting effective marketing messages and targeting your promotions. Conduct market research and use analytics tools to gather insights into your audience's preferences. Utilize social media. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Engage with your audience and drive traffic to your online store. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling captions, and hashtags relevant to your niche to maximize your reach and engagement. Content marketing. Create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience while subtly promoting your products. Blog posts, video tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content can help establish your brand as an authority in your niche and attract potential customers to your store. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers and content creators in your niche to promote your products to their audience. Collaborating with influencers who share your target audience can help you expand your reach and credibility, driving sales through word-of-mouth recommendations. Email marketing. Build and nurture relationships with your customers through email marketing campaigns. Send personalized product recommendations, exclusive offers, and updates to keep your audience engaged and encourage repeat purchases. Paid advertising. Consider investing in paid advertising channels like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or influencer shoutouts to amplify your reach and drive targeted traffic to your store. Experiment with different ad formats, targeting options, and messaging to optimize your campaigns for maximum return on investment. By implementing a comprehensive marketing strategy that combines these tactics, you can effectively promote your print-on-demand products, attract customers, and drive sales in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Optimizing for success. Optimizing your print-on-demand business is essential for maximizing your success and staying ahead in the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. From tracking sales and analyzing data to refining your strategies based on customer feedback, continuous optimization is key to driving growth and profitability. Here are some strategies for optimizing your print-on-demand business for long-term success. Track sales and analyze data. Utilize analytics tools and sales tracking software to monitor your store's performance. Identify trends and track key metrics such as conversion rates, average order value, and customer acquisition cost. Analyzing this data can help you understand your customers' behavior and preferences, allowing you to make informed decisions to optimize your product offerings and marketing efforts. Optimize product listings. Ensure your product listings are optimized for search engines and user experience. Use relevant keywords, high-quality images, and detailed product descriptions to improve visibility and conversion rates. Test different variations of product titles, descriptions, and images to identify what resonates best with your audience. Listen to customer feedback. Actively solicit feedback from your customers through surveys, reviews, and social media interactions. Pay attention to common themes and suggestions to identify areas for improvement and address any issues promptly. Incorporating customer feedback into your product development and marketing strategies can help you enhance the overall customer experience and build loyalty. Experiment with pricing and promotions. Test different pricing strategies, discount offers, and promotions to find the optimal balance between profitability and customer acquisition. Consider running limited-time promotions, bundling products, or offering discounts for loyal customers to incentivize purchases and increase revenue. Stay up to date with trends, keep abreast of industry trends, market developments, and competitor strategies to stay competitive and adapt your business accordingly. Explore emerging technologies, consumer preferences, and popular design trends to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on new opportunities. Invest in scaling your business. As your print-on-demand business grows, invest in scaling your operations to meet increasing demand while maintaining quality and efficiency. Explore outsourcing production, expanding your product offerings, or investing in automation tools to streamline processes and optimize workflow. By continually refining and optimizing your print-on-demand business, you can enhance your competitiveness, drive sustainable growth, and position yourself for long-term success in the dynamic e-commerce landscape. Print-on-demand offers a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs to create, customize, and sell unique products online. Throughout this video series, we've explored the essential strategies and tactics for achieving success in the print-on-demand industry, from niche selection and product design to marketing and optimization. By understanding the fundamentals of print-on-demand, identifying profitable niches, and creating compelling designs, entrepreneurs can differentiate their products and attract customers in a competitive market. Choosing the right platform, implementing effective marketing strategies, and optimizing business operations are crucial steps in driving growth and profitability. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Share this video with fellow entrepreneurs who may benefit from the insights shared here. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the exciting world of print on demand.